Hi YouTubers, welcome back to Adventure Hunger. Today we're going to be making chicken biryani. Let's get started. The chicken biryani will be cooked in two parts. We will first start with the chicken, followed by the rice. The ingredients to marinate the chicken are 1 pound chicken with bone, 2 tomatoes, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoons meat masala, 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, 2 green chilies, brown onions, 3/4 cup curd or dahi, and coriander. To begin marinating, put the chicken in a large bowl and add all the ingredients. After marinating the chicken, set it aside for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Now we will start cooking the rice. The ingredients we'll need for that are 1 cup rice, salt to taste, ghee, 1 bay leaf, cinnamon, 1 black cardamom, and 3 green cardamoms. Begin by adding all the spices to the water. When the water comes to a boil, add the rice. Take note that we will not be cooking the rice all the way at this stage. When rice is about 75% done, drain the excess water and let it sit. The next step is to cook the chicken and rice together. Add about ½ spoon of ghee and 1 tablespoon of oil. We are going to layer the ingredients by adding the marinated chicken first, tomatoes on top, and then topped with the cooked rice, making sure not to press the rice down and allowing rice to fluff. At this point, you may add meat masala for that extra flavor. Lastly, we will top the rice with browned onions, chopped coriander leaves, small amount of ghee, and sprinkle a small amount of salt. Cover the dish and allow it to cook for 25 to 30 minutes. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!